there a fish there? Is there a fish? Is there a fish there? Are you trying to get a fish? Oh, you're not doing it. What are you doing when I video? There's a tree, man. Doug's telling me watch out for lightning. There's our tree. Down. Hit by lightning, or what the deal is. Little fairy hole. Fairies are gonna live in there. My grandkids. Make brightness out of it. Over here. And the bird, or what do you call it? Hummingbird feeder survived too. Look at that. Man, talk about some high winds. This is a piece of the stump. Doug's like, Gene, look, piece of the stump. It's stuck in. I can't get it out. Oh. Piece of the stump stuck in. That's the winds we got. Doug's taking down my jungle look. I was sort of liking it. This thing is embedded into the ground. Look at that. Thank God it wasn't embedded into our house. Wow. A whole lot different now, doesn't it? Got all the stuff trimmed off. Check it out. The only thing wrong, no siding damage, nothing. Just a ripped screen. Just a little tear in the screen. Telling you, the Lord does wonders. Doug working on the chainsaw because the next storm coming through tonight. I don't want them little dangly branches whipping against the aluminum siding and damaging that. So we're getting it done. John was even out here helping. Got to get him out here. Some exercise, you know. Love you guys.